Welcome to this iChannelDesk iVideo. iChannelDesk is an application that enables users to quickly perform frequent activities, as in tasks or uploading documents from their desktop. iChannelDesk allows users to perform a few of the following features: open iChannel documents, save emails directly from Outlook or any email system directly into iChannel, save documents directly to iChannel, be able to route documents directly to iChannel, save documents directly to iChannel monitoring folder, pending files. In this iChannelDesk iVideo topics, you will learn how to access and start iChannelDesk, how to customize iChannelDesk toolbars, iChannelDesk, the main file area, how to search for an entity, how to view entities, my contacts, my recent entities, how to view and search for client documents, how to add documents, and how to add an email. To launch iChannelDesk, click on the links icon located in your Systems tray. If the iChannelDesk logo is located within your links icon system tray, just click on the logo for iChannelDesk. In this scenario, iChannelDesk is not located in the Systems tray. Next, move over to your search feature and type in to search for iChannelDesk. Once you locate it, click on the iChannelDesk application. The application will begin to launch and iChannelDesk will load onto your screen. As you can see, iChannelDesk is now active and located on your desktop. Now, back in your Systems tray, if you'll click on the icon, you will be able to notice that the iChannelDesk application is running. To exit out of the iChannelDesk application, just go to your System tray, click on the icon, right-click, and select Exit, and that will end your iChannelDesk application. A user does have the opportunity to move iChannelDesk toolbar to different locations on their desktop. Click on the three dots located right here on the left side of the toolbar. Hold down your mouse and you can move it to any other location you desire on your desktop. iChannelDesk does have some end-user permission settings that can be defined. Click and right-click on the logo located on the iChannelDesk toolbar. Select Settings. As you can see, iChannelDesk window has displayed. Now, a user does have the opportunity to make their toolbar be either transparent or more opaque by using the slider bar located in this example. As you can see, iChannelDesk does update. There are also some other end-user opportunities for the user to set up on their iChannelDesk toolbar. You can make your icon smaller, much more larger, and then you can continue to make them as large as necessary. Also, depending on the type of visibility you need with working on iChannelDesk, the user can add or remove different icons on the toolbar. A user also has the capability to move over to the Sync tab located on the iChannelDesk Sync toolbar and make any modifications as necessary by using any of the features located here. The History tab will provide a detailed history of all things done when working with the iChannelDesk toolbar. Once you've made all of your updates and changes that would fit your need to use iChannelDesk toolbar, click the Apply button. Click OK to close the window. iChannelDesk main end-user window provides the user with the same functionality to perform several tasks like using the iChannel client file area. You can search for entities, you can view my entities, my contacts, my recent entities, view and search for client documents, filter by tags, projects, workflows, drag and drop documents and emails directly into iChannelDesk, print and email links directly from iChannelDesk. To view any of your entities or your clients or any of your contacts associated with your clients, double-click the yellow folder icon called Open on the toolbar. When the window displays, you are looking currently at a hybrid view of several widgets that are identical to the widgets located on your dashboard. Over on the left side, by default, the My Entities widget will display. You can also look at your Contacts or My Contacts widget by clicking on the widget. You can also look at any of the most recent entities widget that you have worked with by clicking on the My Recent Entities, and that will display in the main file area. Now, to be able to view any of your entity's clients file area, just as you can in iChannel, just locate an entity to work with, double click that entity. The retrieving files will display. This may take just a moment depending on the number of files that you have in your area. So as you can see, again, this is a hybrid view which allows you to work with any of the three widgets you see located here on the left side and then be able to see the documents associated with that client. To quickly navigate to another entity's file area, just select another entity from the list, double click the name, and that will retrieve the files for that client. Just as with iChannel, a user does have the capability to search for documents at the entity level by searching on a title for a document. I could type in a few letters, must be a minimum of 3. Select the filter button, which is the same filter button you locate and use within iChannel in the client file area. Any matching criteria based off that title will display in the area. Now, to be able to return to all documents for that client, just click the List All button, just like you can in iChannel, and that will return you back to all of the documents located for that client. You can also search by the type of file. In this case, I'll select Word, click Filter. Any matching document at that point in time will appear in the list. And again, to return back to see all documents associated to a client, click on the List All button. Now, some other features that you can do to narrow the search for all of the documents that are located here is iChannelDesk allows you to filter by taking any of the column headings. In this case, I'll take the user column heading. I'm going to hold down my mouse and I'm going to drag it into this white area here that's located, and then that will sort all of the documents based on the users that may have a document associated with them. So as you can see, it has put all of the documents by a particular contact record or user for those documents. Now again, I can go back to List All and I can put that back. Now you can do that on any of the column headings. Maybe you want to filter by the year. You can just simply come in here and you can add the year, and you'll see that I have 60 items associated to 2019 and 1 document for the year 2018. So I'll just go ahead and click List All, and that will put me back, allow me an opportunity to filter based on columns. iChannel does not have that feature, so this is a nice feature with iChannelDesk. Now you can also filter based on tags, just as you can in iChannel in the client file area. Just click on the little icon for filter by tags. You'll see a list of tags that are available for just this client that I'm working on right now. I could select one of these tags, click the filter button, and that will filter my documents for me located here. iChannelDesk has built-in intelligence to make storing client documents a quick and easy process. Users have the option to upload one document at a time, or by using your Control key on your keyboard to select multiple documents when uploading. In this exercise, I'm going to show you how to take a document that is currently located on my desktop, and I'm going to bring it into iChannelDesk using the save icon on my toolbar. Now I'll locate the document. I'm just going to click and drag it by holding down my mouse and drag it directly over the save icon. As you can see, the new document that I dragged in by using the drag and drop feature on the toolbar now appears in my dragged files section of iChannelDesk. Now, to be able to accept this document, I'm going to click the small box located to the left of the title of the Word document. That'll place a little black arrow there for you. Now, I need to select an entity that would and be where this document is accepted. Now, the My Entities, again, is the My Entities widget that's the same on your iChannelDesk dashboard. Now, if one of these entities is where this document needs to be accepted, I would just select one of those entities. I can also search by adding at least a minimum of 3 characters in my search term field and then clicking search, which would allow me to see more entities to accept this document. In addition, I could also click on the My Recent Entities, and any entity that I most recently have visited, that history of those entities are located here, and I could select one of the entities from here. And now in this example, I'm going to go ahead and select the SRU entity. That's where I'm going to place this document or accept it. Now, once I do that, the unique topics and the unique subtopics will appear for just that entity. Again, if I was to accept another entity, I would have a different set of topic and subtopics for accepting this document. Now, for this example, I'm going to place it in the training topic, and I'm going to go ahead and select it into the training materials subtopic. Now, for any reason I needed to change the title or description of this document, I could do that before I go ahead and add this document to iChannel. If the document I'm adding also needs to be placed based on a tag that you may have created for this entity, I could select a tag that needs to be for this document. Also, if this entity had any projects, those would appear here also, especially if this document was unique to a project. Once I do that and I've set up all of my baseline criteria for accepting this document, I click on the Add button. Now, if you do want to click on the Add button and also open the document and view it, you can also do that at this time. If for any reason you have inadvertently selected incorrect information or the wrong document and you do not want to accept this document into iChannel, just click Close. I'll go ahead and select the Add button to add this document or to accept this document into the entity based on the topic and subtopics defined above. There are times when you may have more than one document you would like to add to iChannel using the iChannelDesk toolbar. Now in this exercise here, I've got 2 documents, so I'm going to upload both of these documents at the same time. So I'm going to click one document. I'll hold down the control button on my keyboard. I'll select the second document. As you can see, both documents are highlighted. I'll just drag and drop those over the Save button, and you'll see that the Add New to iChannel document window will appear. As you can see in my dragged files area, I have 2 of 2 documents. Those are the 2 documents that I dragged in using my drag and drop feature over the Save icon on my iChannelDesk toolbar. Now I can just follow the same steps as previously, select a document, select an entity, set up my category, topic, and subtopics, any additional information, and click Add. I can do these one at a time. If they're going to the same entity, that's one way you can do it. You can also just hold down the control button on your keyboard, get both of the documents highlighted blue, and then you could set them up into the entity that they need to go to. And again, to find all the required information and optional information, and click Add. You can also take one of the documents and take one document and assign it to one entity, set up the information, click Add, then the remaining document. So I can set this one up to Ramsey Tax Returns. I can add it. That document will appear from my dragged files area. As you can see, I only got one document left, and then I can set the other document up to another entity and accept that one. As you can see, I forgot to add one of my subtopics, so iChannel alerts me to go back and set that information up, and then I'll click Add. In the previous exercises, I added documents from my desktop into iChannel. In this exercise, I'm going to show you that you can add documents from any location on your workstation. I opened up my file area. I'm going to take a document from my file area, just drag it right over the Save feature, and accept that document into iChannel. Now, if I have multiple documents, I just select as many documents as necessary, click and drag. As you can see, there are 6 documents that are being dragged into iChannel Desk using the Save feature on the toolbar. The Add New to iChannel window will open. As you can see, the 6 files that I dragged into iChannelDesk are located in the dragged file areas. And again, I just repeat all of the previous steps on how to accept or add those documents into my entities as previously learned. Not only can you add a document or documents into iChannel by clicking and dragging those documents directly from either your desktop or from your file area or any location on your workstation into iChannelDesk, you can also add email communication into iChannel. First, just locate an email within your mail system's inbox. Take that email, locate that email, click on it and drag it. And as you can see, I can drag, and there's going to be a small little hover there that shows you an indication that you are dragging an email. Drag it over the save feature, just like you do with a normal document or documents. Now, as you can see, that email has displayed in my dragged files area. I know that by the type. It says it is a message from my email system. And again, you just repeat all of the steps as you learned earlier by clicking on the message, clicking on an entity, set up the category topic and category subtopics, and then add any additional information as needed. And then you just click on the add button, which will add that email into iChannel. And again, you don't have to just drag in one email. If there were multiple emails you want to select, just make sure you highlight those emails first and then drag them into iChannelDesk using the save icon on iChannelDesk toolbar. Sometimes when you have an email, you may only want to add the attached file or the document into iChannel, not the communication or the body of the email. Now, to be able to add just the attached file to iChannelDesk, what you need to do is locate that file that has the attached document on it. Then make sure that you have opened the email so you can see the attachment. In this scenario I have, I'll take that attachment and I'm going to drag it, not the email, I'm just going to take the attachment and drag it into iChannelDesk instead. As you can see, it only uploaded or added into iChannel just the PDF document, not the email. And again, just repeat all your steps that you previously learned on how to add a document to iChannel. Users also have the ability to do a quick search for an entity or a contact. By putting in at least a minimum of 3 characters in the search field, a user can add information in that search field, hit enter on their keyboard, and as you can see, it will bring up an iChannel search. Now, if you do click and access any of the information from this quick search located on this screen, you will be redirected to log into iChannel, and that is where you will manage this activity. In addition, users have the capability to be able to right-click on the logo on the iChannelDesk, and they can search for My Activities. Now, the My Activities located on this flyout window is the same as the My Activities widget that is located on your dashboard. By selecting it, you will be redirected to iChannel, where you will log in with your credentials to view all of your activities. Thank you for watching this video on how to work with iChannelDesk.